Robbie Graham, maintenance manager, been here 20 years.
I'm Robert Veach. I've been here for 20 years. I'm an operations supervisor.
My job here, overlook all the guys out in the shop. I've got 7 technicians out there. We do a lot of like basic preventative maintenance stuff, oil changes, greasing, check lights, brakes, tires, stuff like that. Make sure the trucks are safe to go on the road every single day.
I basically started here when I was a teenager. Me and the maintenance manager, Robbie Graham, now, we were both laborers, and then we worked into our positions, and we both got promoted around the same time. We've both been here for 20 years, so it's kind of like a family. Me and him are like brothers. We grew up together. So I started here in 2005, and then I basically worked through every driver position that we had here, and I felt I could do a little more in operations, which gave me the opportunity to take what I learned and give that back to our team.
So Robert, he basically came up in the same exact range when I came up. He started off as a rear load driver, and I was out on the floor as a B technician. So we have a real close friendship, both here and outside of work.
I have a lot of family history in the garbage industry. My father owned a garbage company in Connecticut, and it's just been in our background for years.
He's got the passion, you know, we're both into this for the same exact thing, you know. We both love garbage, that's what we've done. I just have a passion for this. I came here 20 years ago looking for a job, and here I am like 20 years later, and what I end up getting is a career out of this.
The good thing about Casella is that they will let you excel as far as you want to. If you're going to put in the work, they're going to invest back in you.
What I love about this place is they like to promote from within. You know, there's always opportunities to grow, to get to the next level. You know, they've set me out to tons of training. I got involved in the Career Pass program, got myself a little bit up to like the B, and then the A, the master, the lead. And now I run the maintenance department down here.
So if you want to start off as a driver and work into the office, they're going to push you to reach your goals. And that's pretty much what I did over the years. I'm second generation, so we love the business, love the service part of it, and just being able to be hands-on with customers.
The best part of my job is the people, absolutely the people. You know, I've had so many friends like Robert Veach. I absolutely love this place. I love it, absolutely love it. This is my home.